Hi sisters! Hi sisters!
Just kidding, it's Pat. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm so excited because I'm going to be bringing you a video where I put all 39 colors from the James Charles Morphe palette on my face.
Unleash your inner artist.
Let's get started. My beauty blender here for my foundation. I'm going to do a quick layer of that. Alright, so I think that looks pretty good. I made a little stencil in the shape of a star because I'm going to have to shrink some of the colors down because there's a lot of colors in here and some of the pans are pretty big. Let's get started. So the first color is called Canvas. Okay. The next one, which is Ring Light. Ooh, so pretty. The next color is called So Good. We've got the first three shades done.
Next!
518. Okay. So next we're going in with Rusted. Halloween. Alright, the next color is called Wig. That was Wig. The next color we're going to use is called Tea. Okay, so that is the top row. And moving on to the next row.
Thank you, thank you.
Punch Me, Punch Me. Here. This is a really light color as well. Nice light brown. The next color is called Sister. Okay, the next color is called Mary. Next we're going in with Literally. Next, You're Kidding. You're Kidding. Next. Shook. Shook. Okay, next we've got Boutique. Whew, that's a dark one. Next, going in with Benny. All right, and that is the first 2 rows completed. So let's do row number 3. Starting it with Flashback. Next we have Face. After Face we have Tune. Next we have Code James. Next we've got 10% off. Followed by No Beans. That over here as well. And next we've got Spooky. All right, so that was the 3rd row. Next we've got the color B. Next we've got Guac. After Guac we've got Hello. Okay, and next we've got Playground. Next we're going to go in with Brother. Artistry. Love that. The last color in this 4th row is called Pinkity Drinkity. I'm ready to do the last row. So the first color is called Social Blade. No. Yes. No. Yes. Okay, next color in this row is called Daddy. 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 So we'll slap that on here. Ooh, Daddy. Next up we have Cape Cod. That's a nice metallic one. After Cape Cod is Cola. Cola. Next up is Acapella. The next color I'm going to go in with is called Escape. That's a dark purple. The next color is called Single. And Skip is a nice bright pink. This is the completed look, all 39 colors from the James Charles Morphe Unleash Your Inner Artist palette on my face in star shapes. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you hit the red subscribe button down below. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter. The links are in the description, and I'll see you for the next video. Surprised I could fit 39 colors on my face.
Unleash your inner artist.